Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best, the boldest, and the most beautiful products you can get your hands on. Today, we're talking about what I consider to be the best ceramic bracelet 34mm women's watch out there right now. The Klein Women's Premium Crystal Accented Gold Tone Bracelet Watch, model AK2230GNGB. At first glance, this watch is a head-turner. The combination of the gold tone bracelet and the rich green sunray dial is a statement of luxury, elegance, and timeless class. But it's not just about good looks. This watch brings craftsmanship, precision, and style together in one graceful package. Let's start with the dial. What you see here isn't your typical flat watch face. Instead, it features a slightly domed mineral crystal lens that gives it a soft, elegant curvature. This detail alone sets it apart from the usual flat designs. The green sunray dial reflects light beautifully, creating an almost hypnotic play of color under different lighting conditions. That green isn't too bold, but it's bold enough to make a subtle but striking impression. Now take a closer look at the bezel. It's set with 60 clear premium crystals. These aren't just for show. Each crystal has been carefully placed to frame the face, catching light at every angle and offering that brilliant sparkle without being over the top. Whether you're attending a formal event or just out for a casual lunch, this piece elevates your look. The hour markers are Roman numerals, paired with simple gold-toned hands, giving the face a refined, classic touch. There's also a printed minute track around the outer edge, which is a thoughtful inclusion for more precise time reading. The case itself measures 34mm in diameter, just the right size for most wrists. It's big enough to feel substantial but not so large that it overwhelms your arm. The gold tone finish carries over into the bracelet, which is adjustable to fit your wrist comfortably. It comes with a jewelry clasp and extender, so you can get the fit just right, whether you like it snug or a little loose. Now let's talk about what powers this timepiece, Japanese quartz movement. Known for accuracy and reliability, this type of movement ensures your watch keeps ticking smoothly without missing a beat. It's also incredibly low maintenance, which means you can focus on enjoying it, not fussing over it. One thing that really makes this Klein model stand out is its versatility. It's elegant enough to pair with a formal gown, but you could easily wear it with a smart casual outfit or even everyday office wear. It's subtle, stylish, and always appropriate. And let's not forget, it ships from Amazon.com and is eligible for returns within 30 days, so you've got that peace of mind if it doesn't meet your expectations. Yes, it's available, with a clear breakdown of shipping and import fees provided up front. It's for the modern woman who appreciates timeless design, subtle sparkle, and precision. It's for someone who wants their accessories to say elegance, without shouting. To wrap things up, the Klein is more than just a wristwatch. It's a piece of jewelry, a statement of taste, and a daily companion that adds a touch of luxury to every moment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell, so you don't miss our next deep dive into the products that deserve your attention. See you in the next video.